Holy, this car is so dirty. Look at those fingerprints. Oh my goodness. I need to wash this car so bad. But one of the pros to having this light color is that dust and all that stuff does not show up on this car. Like, I haven't washed this car for a long time and it still looks like it's clean, but obviously up close, like, you can see everything. But anyway, in today's video, we're pretty much going over the top 5 things that you need in your garage to, you know, just work on cars, or what you're gonna need in order to, like, just do basic stuff on the car. Now, do keep in mind there is tons of tools and, like, you know, there's tons of other stuff that you can use for your garage, obviously, but this is gonna be in no type of order from like greatest to least greatest or anything like that. This is just 5 things that you should have in your garage that will help, or at least have helped me when working on the cars. I'm doing this video exclusively for those newbies or those new guns that's like coming into the car scene, doesn't know what tools I should get or, you know, where to start. So this video is for you guys. The first thing that you are gonna need is definitely get yourself one of these kits. Comes with a ratchet set, comes with a wrench set, and also it comes with some socket sets too, which is absolutely great. Absolutely recommend this for, you know, just starting out on your car, because you're definitely going to be using these to work on your car a lot, like kind of like 90% of the time. Now, for the second thing that you will need in your garage, obviously if you're working on cars, is a set of screwdrivers. We got just a few basic screwdrivers. You know, you got your flathead. You also got, you know, the like X cross screwdriver, and of course you have this square one too. Don't really need this one, but it's good to have it because, you know, what if cases. But yeah, screwdrivers are a super non-expensive thing. I mean, it's not crazy expensive. You just need some basic ones like this and you should be good to go. These stuff come in super handy. Of course, if you want to work under your car or do anything under your car, you have to have a car jack, because there's no other way you're gonna get under your car. Honestly, it would even be better if you can get a low profile jack, because of course, if you're gonna lower your car, you're gonna want that extra, you know, space so that you can get under that car with a low profile jack and jack up your car. And I think it's a no-brainer why you'd need yourself a set of jack stands, because obviously you don't want to just rely on the car jack to hold up your car. You definitely want to put it on jack stands so that it has this to rest on. If the jack does fail, then it's gonna crush right on you. So it's good to have these jack stands, and they're not expensive either. This is also gonna help you too if you're gonna do anything under your car, like exhausts, headers, you know, removing, you know, clamps from underneath, or just like anything under the car, like oil changes, stuff like that. So it's definitely a necessity. You can get them for like a pair for like 20 bucks, 40 bucks, maybe even cheaper. But yeah, definitely needed is a car jack and jack stands. Pretty sure we're on the 4th thing here that you would need for your garage or just working on your car in general, and that is of course a toolbox. Now, of course, toolboxes can be super pricey. If you guys have not seen, just check online. There are tons of them on there and they are not cheap, but you can get these like smaller ones like these for 100 bucks, maybe even 250 bucks, stuff like that. And honestly, if you're starting out and you're just getting a few tools, you don't need a whole big toolbox just yet. Just have a little small one, just so that you can put your stuff inside to work on. Like, instance, I got like terminals there, put my wire stripper in there. In here, I got like wiring stuff, as you can see, and zip ties. And in here, you got like, you know, screws and all that type of stuff. A very convenient thing to have, you know, just to keep all your tools organized. So every time you come out to work on your car, you know where everything is. Now, for the 5th thing that you need in your garage or just to work on your car in general is, of course, an impact gun. Now, trust me, you are definitely going to use an impact gun a lot. All right, it makes the job so much faster, especially if you're gonna be taking off, you know, like wheels and stuff like that. Definitely want to use this. Really good if you can get this 1/2 impact wrench. There's also like 3/8, but you can get that too, but you definitely want this one. It just makes the job so much easier. You just go ahead and press this, and of course it just spin and take out your bolt, your lug, whatever it is, a whole lot easier. When you do get these, get yourself one of the cordless ones because it'll just make it easier, you know, just for movement and all that type of stuff. Even though I said this would be 5, I'll just throw a couple like little extras or honorable mentions that you're gonna need. You're definitely gonna want a torque wrench, and you're definitely gonna want a breaker bar for those tight bolts and for the wheels, the lugs especially. You're gonna definitely want that breaker bar to break those hard to break nuts, bolts, lugs out. It just makes the job a lot easier, trust me. So definitely get yourself a torque wrench and a breaker bar. You will need it. And then of course, as you start to work on it more and more, you'll start to accumulate more stuff, and then you're gonna get more parts for your collection, and yeah, it'll slowly get bigger and bigger and bigger. It just takes time. That is everything that you'll need to work on your car, and that's pretty much it for this video. So if this did help you, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys do want me to make a part 2 like of more tools that you guys will need, let me know in the comments down below. I can do that too. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.